Alright, I'm Dave Welch. This is Automation Devices, and we're going to try to do some troubleshooting on some feeder bowls. On this particular example, what I want to show you is the parts in the bowl appear to be dead and they're not moving evenly throughout the rest of the bowl. I'm going to turn it on, I'm going to let you see what we're looking at, and then we're going to talk about what we can do to try to find out what the problem is. Is the problem in the bowl, or is the problem down in the drive? And that's what we're going to try to figure out. So let's turn this on. And you can see right away, if you come on over here, the parts are moving around here, but they're all clumping up over on that one side of the bowl. So I need these parts to move freely, and they're not. So anyway, what we want to do is we're going to shut that off, and what we have to decide right now is the problem in the bowl, or is the problem down in the drive? And one of the easy ways to test this first is let's rotate the bowl. So I'm going to loosen up the bolt in the middle, and I'm going to turn the bowl. Any angle, it doesn't matter what. Now let's tighten it back up. And when I turn this back on, if these parts stay right here, the problem is probably in the bowl. If the parts migrate to the other side and stop, the problem's in the drive. So let's take a look and see what happens here. So we can see all the parts went from this side, and they all went over to that side. So what that tells me is no matter where I rotated the bowl, the parts all went to the same side. So now we know that the problem is not in the bowl, the problem is in the drive. So we either have a broken spring, a cracked spring, or a broken or a cracked spacer. And those are the most typical things that would cause this. So let's see if we can find out which it is. Let's take the bowl off. And what we're going to do is we're going to start inspecting each one of these spring banks to find out what's going on.